Insert, delete rows and columns. Last point, we learned how to select, and this will be our first step before apply, delete, insert or any other edit. Understanding cell position means that you are in a specific row and a specific column. How to delete a column? Select column, from layout, delete, delete column. To delete row, select row, layout, delete, delete rows. To delete cell, place the cursor in your cell, delete, delete cells. It may be easier to use a right click. Select column, right click, delete column. Select rows, right click, delete rows. Put your cursor in a cell, right click, delete cells. How to insert a column? Select column, layout, insert right. If you want to insert column right. How to insert a row? Select your row and insert below or insert above. You can also do the same thing by your right click. Insert row above.